you do have access to a checklist, which is basically the 10 steps that we're going through today. And that is all laid out in this workbook. So don't worry if you don't have the checklist with you. That's like a resource that you can use. Once you know this knowledge, you can print the checklist out and just reuse it time and time again. So that's the whole point of the checklist, is once you have this knowledge, then you can reuse it. So if you go through the 10 steps and you use that as a structure for a 12-month plan for your business, and every quarter you just focus on a different aspect of it, then you'll have a really thriving business over and over again. It's principles and it's knowledge that are the foundations of any business, not just our business of certain industries. So that's what we're talking about here, and I'm really excited to share that with you. And the point of this is that it grows your results, reduces your time if you want to in your business, and you can have more balance and fun.